Ever wonder how the U.S. Air Force maintains its fleet of advanced fighter jets? Meet Lockheed Martin, the company behind some of the most iconic aircraft in the world. In this video, we'll take an inside look at one of their manufacturing plants to see just how these warplanes are made. From cutting-edge technology to highly skilled workers, we'll explore what it takes to produce some of the most advanced military aircraft in existence. But before we get started, be sure to hit that like button for more videos. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Lockheed Martin. Headquartered in Bethesda, Maryland, Lockheed Martin is a global security and aerospace company that specializes in the design, development, manufacture, and maintenance of advanced military systems. One of their most well-known products is the F-35 Lightning II Joint Strike Fighter, a state-of-the-art warplane that has been in production since 2006. The F-35 is a multi-role fighter that is designed to perform a variety of missions, including air superiority, close air support, and intelligence gathering. It is also the most expensive weapon system ever procured by the U.S. military, with a total cost estimated to exceed $400 billion. This advanced aircraft has been the subject of much attention and scrutiny over the years, with many experts debating its capabilities and effectiveness. But one thing that is not up for debate is the sheer complexity of this machine. The F-35 is packed with advanced technologies that make it one of the most powerful fighters in the world today. Its most notable feature is its advanced stealth capabilities, which allow it to evade detection by enemy radar systems. The plane's low observable or stealthy airframe reduces its visual, infrared, and radio signature, making it difficult for enemies to detect and track. In addition to its stealth capabilities, the F-35 is equipped with a variety of advanced sensors and data fusion technologies that provide pilots with a high degree of situational awareness. These systems allow the aircraft to collect, process, and fuse data from multiple sources, providing pilots with a comprehensive view of the battlefield. Another key feature of the F-35 is its powerful onboard computer systems. These systems allow the aircraft to perform complex calculations and make real-time decisions, enabling advanced mission planning and execution. They also allow for the integration of a variety of advanced weapons and defense systems. Despite its advanced capabilities, the F-35 has been the subject of much debate and controversy over the years. Some critics argue that the plane is too expensive to maintain and operate, while others question its overall effectiveness in combat. However, proponents of the F-35 argue that the plane's advanced capabilities and versatility make it an essential component of the U.S. military's air warfare strategy. In recent years, Lockheed Martin has invested heavily in research and development to continue improving the F-35's performance and capabilities. The company has developed new software upgrades, advanced sensor systems, and improved weapons integration to enhance the plane's effectiveness on the battlefield. Despite the ongoing debate, the F-35 remains one of the most advanced and sophisticated fighter jets in the world today. Its advanced stealth capabilities, sensor systems, and computer technology make it a formidable opponent in the skies. Whether or not it lives up to its billing remains to be seen. But one thing is for sure, the F-35 is a testament to the ingenuity and innovation of the engineers and scientists who designed and built it. In order to meet the high demand for this advanced fighter jet, Lockheed Martin has established several production facilities around the country. One of the largest and most important is located in Fort Worth, Texas. This facility is responsible for the final assembly and testing of all F-35 variants, including the A, B, and C models. The Fort Worth plant is a sprawling 8.5 million square foot facility that employs thousands of workers. To gain insight into how this facility operates, let's start by examining the process of assembling an F-35. As previously mentioned, the F-35 is a complex piece of machinery that requires precise engineering and craftsmanship to put together. The process begins with the arrival of various components from different suppliers around the country. These components include the wings, fuselage, tail sections, avionics, and propulsion systems. Once the parts arrive at the facility, they are inspected and then transported to the assembly area. There they are put together using specialized equipment and tools. The process of assembling the F-35 is highly technical and requires a team of skilled workers to complete. Each step of the process must be carried out with precision to ensure that the finished product is airworthy and effective. For example, The wings and fuselage must be attached to the aircraft using specialized fasteners and adhesives. The tail sections and other components must also be securely attached using the same level of precision. Once the assembly is complete, the aircraft is then moved to the paint and finishing area, where it is coated with a special anti-corrosion solution. The final step in the assembly process is the installation of the propulsion system, which is housed in the aircraft's engine bay. This is a critical component of the F-35 and must be installed with extreme care to ensure that it functions properly. Once the installation is complete, the engine is tested to ensure that it meets performance standards. Throughout the assembly process, each step is closely monitored by quality control inspectors, who ensure that the aircraft meets strict military specifications. Once the assembly is complete, the F-35 is moved to the flight line for final testing and delivery to its customer, the U.S. military. In addition to its assembly capabilities, the Fort Worth plant also conducts flight testing of the F-35. This is an important part of the production process, as it ensures that each aircraft is safe and effective before it is delivered to its customer. Flight testing is carried out by a team of highly experienced pilots who put the aircraft through a series of rigorous tests to ensure that it meets performance standards. These tests include evaluating the aircraft's handling characteristics, stability and control systems, and overall performance. In addition to flight testing, the Fort Worth plant also conducts operational testing of the F-35. This involves simulating combat situations to ensure that the aircraft is effective in a wide range of scenarios. Operational testing is carried out by teams of military personnel and Lockheed Martin, representatives who work together to evaluate the aircraft's capabilities in various simulated combat situations. This helps to ensure that the F-35 is ready for its intended use when it is delivered to the military. Overall, the F-35 production process at Lockheed Martin's Fort Worth plant is a highly complex and technical undertaking. It requires a highly skilled workforce, advanced technology, and strict quality control measures to ensure that each aircraft is safe and effective. However, Lockheed Martin has a long history of producing advanced military aircraft, and the company's Fort Worth plant is a testament to its ability to deliver some of the most sophisticated fighter jets in the world. Lockheed Martin's Fort Worth plant is a critical component of the company's F-35 production network. The facility's advanced technology, skilled workforce, and stringent quality control measures ensure that the U.S. military has the advanced fighter jets it needs to maintain its air superiority. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other videos on the F-35 and other advanced military aircraft. We have an entire playlist dedicated to the F-35, which includes videos on its development, capabilities, and future upgrades. So be sure to check it out if you want to learn more about this amazing aircraft. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.